I have no idea.
You're supposed to be on the sat nav.
All in Arabic. I have no idea what this thing says. How am I going to navigate if it says Arabic thing?
Stop whinging. It's Christmas. What's wrong with you two?
Oh my friend, piano piano.
Oh my lord.
Shit.
Gordon.
Can you focus on staying in the middle of the road?
I'm trying to, but the bikes are on the inside.
I'm feeling anxious.
Man, the donkey on the left and the car on the right.
There's no structure.
What is called?
Jamal El Fanal.
Jamal El Fana. Jamal El Fana. My friend, Jamal El Fana.
Jamal El Fanal.
Jamal El Fana.
It says straight.
Right, this looks like it over here.
Oh, this must be this one.
Look at that. It's like a festival of colors. This is amazing.
Oh, look at the color of the food there.
Can we park this van? I want to go and walk now. Salam alaikum. You know this place, Jamal and Fana?
Yes.
It used to be the place where public executions took place.
What?
Yeah. The name of the place means the Assembly of the Dead.
The middle here.
They used to chop all the heads here.
It's not my first time in Morocco. I fell in love with this country years ago. But I think the boys are in for a shock because it is pandemonium. You've got to be on your toes. Gino's not fast thinking, and Fred, well, God bless him. You know, he's not the sharpest tool in the box.
Oh, look! Snakes!
Oh, my Lord.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, ask if they bite.
Est-ce qu'ils mordent?
Oui, mordent, oui.
Yeah, they bite.
What's it? Biting his head.
Yeah. Why would you do that?
It's almost like a performing zoo, but it's their culture. It's how they survive. This is crazy.
Oh, shit, they just got a bite. Ask if they're poison.
That is very dangerous. A viper papada from the desert.
Yeah.
Shit, no, look. No way, not.
Come on.
No way am I doing that.
Believe me.
Oh, no.
Not worry, believe me. Not scared.
What's going on here?
Not scared, not worry, believe me. Look.
Watch out.
Oh, fuck that.
Not sorry, not worry. Yeah.
It's a cobra. It's a cobra.
Go ahead. Hey, look.
Shit.
Hey, oh. Ah, smile. Smile, cobra, smile. Oh.
Oh, my God. Here he goes again. Fred dives into things without thinking. Finally, I think Fred's got balls.
Oh my God, no.
I was petrified. But at the end of the day, somebody's got to step up and show these two clowns how it's done.
Good man.
I was fucking shitting myself.
Is it me or this place is full of knick-knack? It's incredible.
It's almost like walking through a postcard.
Ready?
My slightly unhinged friends and I have made it to Marrakesh, the city that Churchill described as the Paris of the Sahara. Of course, Gino wants to rock the Casbah.
Should we do some shopping?
Yeah. What are you looking for?
I want to get some, you know, those belly dancer costumes for my wife. Can you imagine?
No, I cannot.
Hey, look, that's what you wanted.
Look.
Want you just model for me for a sec? Move a little bit. That's it. I like it.
Alors combien?
800.
800.
800,
tell him I get another wife.
I'm going to put Gino inside. Hopefully he'll pop out a bigger man.
Look at the magic carpet. Oh, look at this.
Wow, look.
Wait.
What's that,
there you
spice?
go, they're selling it.
Bonjour.
Hello, friend. Bonjour. This is for pictures. The real Moroccan spices we
Right.
have inside. Please, I'd like to show you. Can you have seat a little bit? Just a minute, please.
But it's like being at a
special.
doctor's.
Please, because you are in the Berber pharmacy.
Have you got something for...
We have Moroccan Viagra.
Oh, Jesus.
I need a Christmas present for my wife.
I give you a Viagra for ladies.
Okay.